Do you believe in a ghost? If yes, then you are not alone. According to study, about 43% Americans believe in ghosts and about 18% claim that they have seen a ghost. Although there is no scientific evidence that ghosts exist. But what would happen if these 43% people were right? What if everyone will become ghost after death? How would our life will change now? How AI would change after having ghost? And what are the consequences we have now? So if one people dies, the one ghost born. There are 120 people who dies every minute. 1,72,800 per day. 51,84,000 in a month, 630,72,000 in a year, and in just 126 years we will have as equal as ghosts as humans on earth. Now there are two types of peoples on earth. First are humans and second are ghosts. Now your life is completely changed. Now we will no longer have pain of losing our loved ones, because if they die they will become ghosts and still with us. Now no one will be afraid to death because they know life after death. The healthcare system of billions of dollars is collapsed now. Might be many people will like to be ghosts rather than humans because ghosts have magical powers and don't need to work anywhere for their survival. Today's AI is evolving very fast, but experts believe that AI will never be like humans because we can't teach them human feelings. But now we can by engaging AI with Ghost. Now we have robots with human feelings and understandings. But one important thing to remember is that this experiment should only be tried with good Ghost. I forget about peoples who can control Ghost because there are millions of people in the world who claim that they can control Ghost. If they were right, this is gonna be very dangerous. Might be these peoples can use ghost as a weapons. And you know that this will be more powerful than nuclear weapons. The people who can control ghost can also control you and even whole world by the help of ghost magical powers. But we all know that these things are not happening. It means ghost probably doesn't exist. But I don't know what is true.